Work smarter, not harder. Always good advice, especially when it comes to managing a network. If you have several access points in your wireless network, access point groups simplify management. When a change is needed, new configurations can be applied to a specific group. This saves time over having to alter each one individually. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to create Cisco Business Wireless access point groups. By creating an access point group, you can control which service set identifier, SSID, or radio local area network, RLAN, can be pushed to each AP group. There is one access point, AP group, configured by default on your primary AP, the default group. All wireless local area networks, WLANs, and RLANs, including APs, are mapped to this default group. This group cannot be modified. To change which SSID is served by the AP, an access point group with a desired SSID will need to be created. I'll keep my example as simple as possible with just 2 wireless networks, 2 APs, and 2 clients. I have configured 2 SSIDs. One is labeled first floor. The other is labeled second floor. To get started, navigate to monitoring and then access point groups. You can see which AP each client is connected to here. At the moment, one is connected to the first floor SSID and one is connected to the second floor SSID. You can see here that they are both connected to my first floor access point. I want to separate these two. To make these alterations, you need to be in Expert View. On the top right of the user interface, click on the arrows and then click OK. Once that is set, navigate to Wireless Settings, Access Point Groups, and then Add New Group. Give the group a name. I'll use First Floor. Next, click on the WLANs tab, and then add a new WLAN. This will create the First Floor Access Point group. Click Update. Now, go to the Access Points tab. Here is where you select which access points will be part of this group. I have my AP labeled as First Floor, so I will select that one and then move it over by clicking the arrow. Confirm by selecting Yes and then Apply. Follow the same process to create a new group for the second floor AP. Click Add New Group and give it a name. Navigate to WLANs, Add New Group, select it, and update. Then move over to the APs. Select the second floor AP you want to be part of this group, and then Apply. Now click the Save icon on the top right of the screen to save these configurations. When complete, navigate to Monitoring and then Access Points. It takes a minute to refresh. Once it updates, you can see one client connected to the first floor wireless network and one client connected to the second floor wireless network. There you have it. You can now separate all your SSIDs to access point groups as needed, saving you time while managing your network in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.